Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Compliments of the season and happy new year to you all, to all my amazing subscribers. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you this beautiful hair. Okay, so if you want to see the start and the finish of this lovely hair, please keep on watching. So as you can see here, I'm doing cornrows at the back. So I sectioned the hair into two, and I'm going to do cornrows at the back. All the back I'm going to do cornrows as you're watching. So after that I'm going to crochet the back. So all the ones I sectioned at the back, I'm going to crochet them. So what I'm doing here is to attach the hair onto the cornrows. Okay, so after this I'm going to start inserting the hair onto the cornrows. So as you are watching, please do well and subscribe if you have not, and give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment in the comment section. Let me see what you think. Okay, and yeah, please watch this video. Is so self-explanatory, and yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Keep watching, guys.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
So my lovelies, if you have made it this far, you are just amazing. Okay, so right now we're going to start working with the one I sectioned at the front. Okay, so and we are going to start doing Ghanaian weaving, Ghanaian cornrows. Okay, yeah, so you can see the hairs I'm going to use, the extension we're going to use, just normal regular extension. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this until we are done. Please keep on watching, and thank you for watching. So my lovelies, we have come to the end of this video, and this is the final look. Okay, yeah, so if you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, like I said, leave your comment in this comment section, and subscribe, follow this channel, follow this page if you have not, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Bye guys.